everyone, it's that time again when we meet and discuss about Business Central topics. Um, Today I'm going to look at one of the new things that came in Business Central 2023 Wave 2, and this is about analysis mode for queries. So today we're going to look at performing data analysis on query object output. First, the analysis mode is something quite recent. It's been introduced a few months ago with probably one or two major releases ago, um, and yeah, it's I think it's a game changer. With this data analysis mode, customers have a great tool in their hands to be able to quickly understand their data. I have a video published recently around the data analysis where I took a real case example and I showed the steps to how this data analysis mode can be put into practice in Business Central 23. Today, I'm trying to cover one thing that was introduced in Wave 2 of Business Central 2023, and that is dealing with the data that's coming from a query object. When was initially introduced, the data analysis mode was enabled only for list pages, and we will see today in an example that if I trigger a query in version 22.5, the data analysis mode does not exist, but with 23 we can see it and we can start playing with it. So let's get going. I'm going to create a query through code. There is no other way around right now for creating a query, and we're going to publish it. We're going to trigger it from one of the existing pages, and we'll see that data analysis mode can now be used on queries. Let's get going. I have here a new project, and right now this was published on an environment called dev, and as you can see here, all the symbols are for 22.5. And what do we have here? Well, we have a page that's extending a page extension that's extending the item list, and in here we have just one action that's going to be right after the ledger entries, and it's called trigger query. The caption is analyze shipments, and when we run it, the object that's getting run is a query shipments by customer. And let's have a look at the query. It is based on the item ledger entries, and all we're looking at is sales shipments, document type sales shipments, and we're interested in the source number because the source number is going to be our customer number. We need also the item, the posting date, the quantity, and the sales amount actual. Let's publish it. bring it here. If we look at the items page, under actions, history, entries, we have this new action here, analyze shipments. When this page is triggered, you see the button that's enabling the analysis mode is missing. But if we go into the production environment, which is if we check here, this is based on 23.1. If I trigger the same action, we can see the data, it's coming in here. And it's not only coming, but we have the analysis mode. The analysis mode exists, the toggle exists on the query. As you can see, I have here, I'm grouping by source number, so we have the customers, and then by posting date by year and by month, and I'm pivoting by item number. So let's see, if we look at 2022 and 2023, we got a total of 99 shipment items, quantity for 1896S. And of course we can look for other customers to see the data. It's nothing here, but this guy has some of the 1908S shipped. So we can see now that data analysis mode exists in version 23 and up, whereas in version 22.5, and we can ensure we are on 22.5. Yes, we are. The analysis mode does not exist. This is just it is like a list page, normal list page. We have the share button here, but we don't have the analysis mode. Here we do have the analysis mode, but we don't have the share button. Sharing is not yet is not supported for pages in data analysis mode, with data analysis mode enabled. That's it. This was a very short video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.